Hey guys, wanna know how to enable news in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply download and launch up your MetaTrader application right here. And on the top right, you can see the hamburger icon. Just simply click on it. And right here, you can see this settings icon. Click on it again. And scroll down until you see this news tab. And right under news, there should be something known as enable news. And if it is unchecked, just make sure it is checked. And that's it. That's how you will be able to enable news in MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.